Hello guys, I am back with another unboxing video. Finally we have iPhone 14 Pro Max in our hand. I have this iPhone 14 Pro Max in deep purple color and 256GB variant. I am crazy to see the new iPhone 14 Pro Max. So before going to the video, make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Now let's start the video. Here is the new iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now let's see what's inside the box. The phone only comes with a charging cable. It also does not have a adapter like 13 Pro Max and 12 Pro Max. You need to buy it separately from the market. The charging cable is Type-C to Lightning. There is a SIM ejector pin, some paperwork and the Apple sticker. Now let's take the box aside and power on the phone. Finally we set up the phone. The biggest change in iPhone 14 Pro Max is notch display and the camera size. The size of camera lens in iPhone 14 Pro Max is increased and gets more bigger. It comes with 6.7 inches OLED screen. The interesting feature in iPhone 14 Pro Max is always on mode. It does not turn off the screen when you press the power button, but it just decreases its brightness and the phone is always on. Thanks for watching the video and make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos.